Tonight we're going to be doing a countdown of my top 5 favorite SOG multi-tools, and obviously this is sort of subjective, but let's get started. So number 5 is going to be the SOG Power Access. This is a great light multi-tool, and while it doesn't feel as heavy duty as some other multi-tools, one of the advantages is, again, it's lightweight in the pocket. So it is going to come in, I think, somewhere around 5.8 ounces. It's got a fairly good tool set as well. And I really like this bit holder that SOG has introduced, as well as this really nice pocket clip. So overall, pretty great tool. I think this comes in somewhere around $70 to $80 brand new. All right. Number 4, the SOG Power Pint. This is a great little multi-tool. SOG has basically found a niche in the market that all the other multi-tools essentially have left. This is going to be in between the small micro multi-tools like the Squirt, the Clutch from Gerber, and so forth. And this is going to be almost like where the Leatherman Juice used to be. This is a very nice set of pliers right here. Again, we've got this bit holder in the back and very nice pocket clip. And then just a nice complement of tools on this very small pocketable multi-tool. So really a fantastic EDC multi-tool. You can just put it in your pocket or anywhere and it takes up hardly any space at all. Coming in at number 3, this is getting harder and harder because I use these multi-tools essentially every day. This is the SOG Sink 1, and I don't wear this to work because I'm afraid I'll lose it. That's the one negative part. If you use this multi-tool belt buckle and you bump it too hard, I have had this belt buckle fall off. So that is one reason I don't wear it. Plus, around electrical machinery, it's probably not the best option to use it as well. But on the weekends when I'm not doing heavy duty projects, I really like to use this belt buckle multi-tool as well. And the Sink will come in somewhere, I think, around $50 to $60 when it's in stock. Now here's a multi-tool from SOG that is no longer made. All the rest on this list are still produced. This is going to be the SOG Pocket Powerplier. Now this is going to be a fantastic multi-tool. I really love it. It just feels tough. Even though it's a lightweight tool, it actually feels tough. And I have to say that a lot of the tools, the way it's made, feels a little bit tougher than the Power Access. It just feels a little bit more heavy duty, like these tools could stand up to a little bit more abuse. So you've got about 3 tools on each side, I guess it is. So again, it's a minimalist tool set, but the tools you have are almost perfect. I wish there was a set of scissors, but otherwise, other than that, basically this covers all that I need on a day-to-day basis when I'm just at home, and it works really great. I was able to use a pocket clip right here. I'm trying to remember, I think maybe I used this from, I don't know, I can't remember where I used this from. Wave, Leatherman Wave, I think it was. But anyway, I was able to modify it, make it fit right here, and it actually works pretty good as well. One negative thing is sometimes I've tried to hammer on this and you've got these gears. So on the old SOGs, SOG rather, that is something that is unfortunate. All right, and finally, number 1, that was number 2. Number 1, this is going to be the SOG Pocket, let's see if I get this right, the SOG Power Access Assist. That's what it is, the SOG Power Access Assist. This is going to be an amazing multi-tool. I've been using this now for several weeks. I actually substituted this for my Leatherman Surge. And to be honest, I have been really happy with this multi-tool. I really like that it has these outside opening tools, and I don't have to look inside for any tools. They're all out here, and then it's just got butter smooth opening with the pliers. I love SOG's pliers, just an amazing tool. And then also you've got the bit holder as well. Now, will this permanently replace my Surge? Probably not, but to be honest, I sort of like carrying this because it's not as expensive as the Surge, and if I break it, I can always go back to the Surge. So I sort of really enjoy carrying this, plus it's a couple ounces lighter. So this is going to have the knife, it is going to have the bottle or the can opener as well. It's going to have this hook, the seatbelt cutter, rope cutter, this micro screwdriver, the Phillips driver, and then this bottle opener combo tool screwdriver as well. And then this is going to be reminiscent of the Leatherman Free series, where you just push this tab back and they all fall back into place. On this side, we've got the saw. We have got, this is going to be sort of unique to SOG. They're going to have this socket adapter so you can fit sockets. And what you get is, with the kit, you do get this bit kit, and it has this socket, this 1/4 inch adapter, and then you can always put 1/4 inch bits in there or here, or you can just use normal 1/4 inch style bits or sockets rather in there as well. And then we're going to have the awl, and I've been using that when I'm mounting thermostats to dig into the drywall, so you can see how white that is. And then the large screwdriver, that's been very handy as well. So as of to this point, I really haven't used this bit kit. I could have many times, but I find it's just easier to flick open these screwdrivers, and I've really found them easy to use. And then we have the serrated knife blade as well. So I really love this Power Access Assist. I think this is fantastic. It's about the same size as the Surge, just a little bit lighter, but in length it's pretty much, actually I think it might be a little larger than the Surge. So it's, I would say, SOG's only true heavy-duty multi-tool. I really don't care for the Power Lock or the Power Assist, but I really like the Power Access Assist. I think this is just a fantastic multi-tool. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed these reviews. Again, these are my pick for my top 5 favorite tools from SOG. There are several others that I like as well, but these are the top 5 that I have found to be very useful and that I find in my rotation pretty much every week. All right, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.